Got it here, Civivi knife. This is my first one by this brand. This is supposed to be a pretty cool one. It just came out. Let's see what it's all about. A really nice packaging over here. So what's so special about it? Nice, they give us a cloth, and look at that. High quality. I think they sell for around $60. I got on eBay. I guess somebody flipped it for like almost $100. So the way this one works is you press a button and flip it out and just close it. So almost like a gravity knife. You just press a button and you see it opens and then it closes the same way. I do love the knives like that. You see it? Just loosen it. But also you don't have to use gravity. You can just flip it like that and press it and flip it the other way. Takes a little bit of practice. You gotta heat it or like swing it just a perfect amount of time. You see, if you don't do it enough, it doesn't close, or if you don't do it enough, it doesn't open. And you press it, close it. You see, too much of a swing. So I guess you just practice, get the feel for it, and you'll be probably pretty perfect every time. I really like that handle. Have lots of edges, as you can see, but this is nice. This is the only color I could get. I think there's a few different colors. I like the logo. I guess this is a C. And is there anything on the blade? Wow, interesting. There's some kind of number over here with letters, but that's pretty much it. Doesn't have any kind of logos or anything on the blade. So that's pretty cool. I think this one's around $50, like a medium knives. But whenever any kind of company makes a knife that is worth showing it to you, that is kind of unique, I will definitely show it to you by any brand. Even if it's like Gerber, most people think Gerber is like a beginner's knife. You know, nothing super expensive, but sometimes they do come out with some amazing knives. So I will bring it out to you and show it to you next to our Benchmade and Spyderco, because I think they're just as good sometimes, mechanically especially, because that's why I especially love that is like very unique locking mechanism on this knife. You see it? Definitely takes a little bit of practice. You kind of have to let it go, the button, when it hits it back on. That's cool. I like it. Okay, almost figured out. So yeah, very nice. Locking and unlocking by a button. And it's not spring assisted or anything. Just press a button right here, and by gravity it will close as well and open. Or with the motion.